Welcome to 03 Communications Technical Training Series, where we will show you how you can make changes to your phone system. As you can see here, we are currently on the Phone Systems login page. If you don't have access to this or you don't have an login account, please contact us here at 03 Communications. Once you have logged into the phone system with your login details, you will be able to see the home page. All phone system programming is done under the Programming section, and then System Data. Once you have clicked on System Data, you will be able to see all the different memory blocks listed on the side.
In today's presentation, we'll delve into the intricate process of updating memory block 1507, tailored for function key modifications, within the NEC Phone System. To commence, navigate to memory block 1507. Once there, you'll gain access to the function key setup page. Initiate by selecting the desired extension from the drop-down menu situated in the top right corner, providing an exhaustive list of all extensions. Upon selection, you'll be able to program the keys on the phone. It's noteworthy that modifications are typically made to the buttons on 24-key phones, as the keys on 6-key phones are predominantly line keys reserved for placing calls. Within this interface, you'll encounter various functions. Focus primarily on editing your DSS one-touch keys. It's advisable to conceal the first 6 to 12 keys by entering, for example in this case 13 in the top right corner under function keys, as generally these are set up for other functions like the ones you see here. This action restricts the display to buttons from 13 onwards, which are shortcuts to other extensions or mobiles. Now, let's consider making a change. For instance, adding a mobile number or another extension number to a vacant spot. To add a mobile number, append it to the additional data field, ensuring the function is set to DSS one touch, and precede the number with a leading 0. Once completed, you may add more entries or click the Apply button in the top right corner. Similarly, to include an extension number, input the extension number into the additional data field, ensuring it's set to DSS one touch, then click Apply. You also have the option to remove or modify any existing programmed extensions or mobile numbers. Lastly, always remember to log out of the phone system. You can accomplish this by clicking Home in the top right corner and selecting Log Out. This ensures the security of the system. This concludes the comprehensive tutorial on making function key changes within the NEC Phone System.